Again with a new video. Here you guys see spike signal appeared. We open the trade with standard lots. So frequently the market is moving downward in selling. You're holding this position till the spike appears. Our stop loss is at least 4 candles. Yes. Keep watching the video, guys. If you feel bored, you may speed up and scroll to closer the results. Here we see after arrow, this is in second candle. We were holding this trade for profit. Keep watching, guys. We're holding this trade. We open 2 trades. One is on signal, the second is on second candle. Holding this trade, guys. Keep watching the video till end so you know the power of the system. My key is moving downward. Stop loss with a 4 candle. Third candle. We were holding the trade for 4 candle stop loss.